Hello everyone. Today we're kicking off an exciting part of our course on explainable AI by setting up one of the coolest tools out there, InterpretML, right inside Google Colab. We're using Google Colab for this course because it's free, cloud-based, and perfect for running Python code without any hassle. In this video, we'll walk through how to install InterpretML using pip3 step by step so you can start exploring its awesome XAI features. Let's get started. First things first. Let's talk about why we're doing this. InterpretML is a powerful, open-source library by Microsoft that helps us understand AI decisions, and Google Colab is the perfect playground for experimenting with it. Colab gives us a Jupyter Notebook environment with free access to a GPU or TPU, plus pre-installed Python tools like pip3, which we'll use to install InterpretML. By the end of this video, you'll have InterpretML ready to go, and we'll be set for the next lessons in our course. All right. Let's jump into Google Colab. Open your browser and head to https://collab.research.google.com. You could just search for Google Colab if you're not sure. Once you're there, click New Notebook to create a fresh notebook. You'll see a clean interface with a code cell ready for action. If you're new to Colab, don't worry. It's super intuitive, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Now, let's install InterpretML using pip3. pip3 is the package manager for Python 3, and it's already built into Colab, so we don't need to set it up. In your notebook, click the first code cell and type this command, followed by pip3 space install space interpret and hit enter. It looks like this, pip3 install interpret. That exclamation mark tells Colab to run this as a shell command, not Python code. Press the play button or hit Shift+Enter. And Colab will start downloading and installing InterpretML. You'll see some output as Colab works its magic, lines of text showing the download progress, maybe a few dependencies being installed, like NumberPy or Pandas, which InterpretML needs to run. It might take a minute or two, depending on internet speed, but once it's done, you'll see a message like successfully installed interpret, followed by a version number. But don't worry about the exact number. It'll work with whatever's current. Once the installation finishes, let's make sure everything's working. In the next cell, type this to import interpret. This line brings in a key function from InterpretML that we'll use later to visualize explanations. Hit Shift+Enter to run it. If there's no error, you're good to go. If you do see an error, like module not found error, double-check that the installation command ran correctly. Sometimes Colab needs a quick restart. Go to the Runtime menu, click Restart Runtime, and rerun the import cell. Now, we're all set to dive into its features in our next lessons, like using the explainable boosting machine or exploring SHAP and Lime for black box models. This setup is your foundation for the rest of our course, so pat yourself on the back. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Colab sessions can time out if you're idle too long, so save your notebook often. Go to File, then Save, or download it to your Google Drive by clicking Save a Copy in Drive. That way, your setup won't vanish, and you can pick up right where we left off. That's it for today's setup guide. We've installed InterpretML using pip3 in Google Colab, and we're ready to explore the world of explainable AI together. This is just the beginning of our course, and I can't wait to show you what's next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.